You can only find the right path if you know what your goal is. You can only shape the future if you understand the present. You can only achieve things if you keep pressing ahead with them. You can only be heard if you listen properly. You can only move things forward if you are always advancing. We get down to work wherever we're needed, with awareness, passion, and perfect timing. With precision, diligence, and team spirit, we are the driving force and the helping hand in every service area in the Volkswagen Group. For us, the result is just as important as what happens on the way to it. What we produce is just as important as how we work together. We are experts, makers, doers. We are listeners who understand, specialists who are ready for any demand. We are believers. Our diversity is our strength. We are us. We are Volkswagen Group Services.